Hey, Casey Rae here. So I wanted to film a really quick bonus video for you guys because ever since I posted that clean with me video, I've gotten a ton of questions about what I use on the sofas, where can you get the product from, can you do a better demonstration? So I've heard you guys and I'm trying to deliver. I'm going to have the specific product link below for you guys, but I did want to do a sort of demonstration. Now, disclaimer, if your sofas are not in as bad a shape as mine, if your sofas are not dry and ashy and gross like mine are, then you probably want to wipe the product off because it probably won't all soak in. However, my sofas are really bad and they need to be replaced, and so I didn't need to wipe them off at the end. It just soaked it right up. So while this won't completely restore your leather, it will really improve the look of it. You want to be in the video? You want to be in the video? My dog is right here.
We're sunbathing with Doodle. It's his birthday today. It's your birthday.
He is not having it.
Ow.
Oh God. So anyway, if you guys are interested in seeing that, then keep watching and let's get right into it.